Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint a cake. So let's start. First I select the pink color and paint the top part of the cake. Then I select the orange color to paint the candle flame. After that, I select yellow color to paint the stars. Then I select the turquoise color to paint the water. Glass has ice cube that is of white color, so we no need to paint it. After that, I select blue color to paint the background. You can say wall. Then with the brown color, I paint the table. After that, I select the grey color to paint the plate. Then I select red color to paint the bottom part of the cake. You can say base of the cake. Then I select green color to paint the candles. Then I select the purple color to paint the medium part of the cake. And it's done. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe.